Today I'm camping. Not stealth camping, just actually camping. Right here might be a good spot. So I just set up the campsite. Let me give you guys a tour. So I parked my truck back there on the dirt road. You can camp anywhere, but we went up in here because there was a little trail and like people have already been camping back here. So we got over here, we've got the heart of the campsite, which is the fire pit. Can't wait for it to get darker. I'm gonna heat that up. I had to bring my own firewood because I didn't want to go forage for firewood today. Then over here, I've got a tarp set up. This is my tent right here. It's some shitty tent from Walmart. And over here, I've got the chairs set up so I can sit down, check out the nature. I brought my portable toilet that just folds up. So you either put a bag in here or you just dig a hole underneath it. And then this is the camping shower that I just made a video on. If you want to see how to make one of these, you just pump this thing up to give it some pressure. And you can spray it out, take a shower, clean stuff off. I'm kind of using it like as a sink. And you just relieve the pressure out of there. That's the campsite. That's where I'm going to be at for the rest of the night. But now I'm gonna go for a hike, come back, cook some food, go to sleep. Yeah, that's what's up.
Oh, there's another bug right next to it.
Oh, dude, what the? Why is he coming to me? It's time to cook a meal. First time using the camping stove, the camping setup in action, so hopefully this actually works out. So what ended up happening, I was packing everything for this camping trip and then I didn't realize that I actually didn't bring the grate for this stove, so I can't use it. So I need to use one of these little one burners. Luckily I brought this. The first time I'm using the kitchen and I can't use the stove. Damn it. Get some of this meat in there. Oh, this is a tiny. Okay. Just finished cooking a meal, so we're gonna clean up a little bit. We're gonna eat that food. We're gonna check out this hilltop over here. The guy just came over, a hiker, and he told us that there's a really good spot to watch the sunrise over there. So we're gonna check it out tonight and then probably wake up in the morning, check out that sunrise. We're gonna head down to the camping area where we set up our tent and get a fire going, get ready for bed. And it's Zoar Valley tomorrow. And there we go. We have the flame. I forgot to get marshmallows, so this is my way of eating some healthy camp snacks. I got some bananas and strawberry, which usually go well together, but I never roasted them before. So I'm just gonna hold this over this flame, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens here. All right, that was a complete failure. These just taste like smoke and a little bit of strawberry. This was a failed experiment. I'm just gonna go ahead and let that burn in there. and call that a day. I'm in the tent. It's dark, it's late. I have the lights on in the tent and the bugs keep trying to get in and get me, so I'm gonna go to sleep right now. Soar Valley in the morning. Good night. See you in the morning. Oh man. Oh. So a lot of people like to leave beer cans and stuff at the campsite, so before I leave, I'm gonna make sure everything is completely cleaned up, and then hopefully the next people will keep it clean. So now I got everything packed up, cleaned up. We're heading out. I'm gonna try to go to Zoar Valley because it's pretty close to here, catch some sights. So night one of camping was a success, and moving on to the next area. We made it.
So I think this is the end of their valley, and the rest of the map is the trails this way.
Yeah, we can. It's clean. Whoa. Got it? Alright, so thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. This was a nice little trip, good maiden voyage for the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my trip now, but next time I camp, it's definitely gonna be in the truck camper that I finished building, because I'm kind of sick of tent camping, but I'll still tent camp from time to time. So if you enjoyed watching this type of video, let me know. I'll keep making more videos like this. A lot of people have been telling me they want to see me camp in the things that I'm building more like I used to in my old stealth camping videos. So hopefully like you. This is my only regular camping video so far. So all right, anyway, I'm at Zor Valley. I'm gonna enjoy my time. See you guys in the next video. Get out there, have some fun, go outside, be cool, man.